Hey class, hello everyone. Hi, hello, namaste, adab, sasriyakal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khambagani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, not class, baatcheet. Let's do some baatcheet. Okay, so as you all know that by looking at the title, you can clearly say that I am going to talk about a very important thing, and that is your procrastination. Okay, this is a real danger for many students. I'm telling you, and this is I would say that it is not only with the students, it is with the adults, it is with everyone. Okay, everyone procrastinate to a bit in their life. Everyone does that. Okay, there's small part of you which will do the procrastination. Okay, for small things, suppose that the small parts like you are doing some work, you want to clean your room, you thought ki chalo I'm doing some work, I'll do it later. So that's a bit point of procrastination, like you're doing it later. So a small level of procrastination is not a problem. A small level of anything is not a problem. The major part is when it becomes a major habit. When you know that if you do not do that work, you will be in trouble, and still you are not doing it. That is the problem which many students are facing. Ask yourself, has it ever happened that you have a test? Suppose you have a test tomorrow, and has it ever happened that you are not studying for it, even though you know that you have to study, but you are not studying for it? You are leaving it for anything. Have you ever done that? If you are doing it, if you know that a work is very important for you, but and you know it that it is very important for you, and still you are not doing it. If you are doing all this, then you really need to hear this lecture till the end. A small part of procrastination, everyone has that. Okay, so that's not a big problem, but you know something is very important for you, you know the something is very important, very urgent for you, and still you are not doing that work. That, my friend, is a trouble. That, my friend, is a trouble. So we are going to discuss about this part. So first thing, beta, if I'll say that what is procrastination, if you are like I'll start doing my homework at 6, you saw the time, it is 6:02. What do you think? Arey yaar, 6 o'clock is left. Now let's do the round off. I'll start studying from 7 o'clock, and you will waste one more hour. And trust me, it has happened with everyone, right? You do that. That okay, I will start studying from 6 o'clock. It is 6:05. Okay, let's start studying from 6:30. That is the first thing which will come to your mind. It will not be like, oh my god, I'm already 5 minutes behind. Let's study as soon as possible. But no, you'll be like, "Acha, it is 6:05. You thought at 6 o'clock you study. It is 6:05. So let's move ahead. We'll start studying at 6:30. Then at 6:30, you will be seeing that the time is 6:45. You will say, okay, sir, later. Let's 7 o'clock we'll study. So that is your procrastination. Okay. So you are putting things off for a later time. That I will do it later. I will do it later. And that later, when it comes, when you are about to do the task, it might in many cases it might be too late for it. In many cases it might be too late for it. So we don't want to reach to that part. We don't want to reach to that part that it becomes really late. समझ रहे हो? So that is a procrastination. Something is important, but you are not doing, and you are putting it off for the later times. That I'll do it later. I'll do it later. I'll do it later. Okay. So the small amount of doing this, small amount of procrastination is not a bad thing. Okay, it happens. Sometimes you prioritize something, sometimes you prioritize something. So that's not a big thing. But if something is really important to you, if something is your goal, if you have dreams and you are not able to reach there because of your habit of procrastination, then my friend, that is a problem. Okay. Also, that's a very good picture which I got. That tomorrow, what is the meaning of tomorrow? Those who procrastinate, for them, a mystical land where 99 percentage of all human productivity, motivation, and achievement is stored. And if your procrastination level is high enough, if your procrastination level is high enough, I will say not even 99 percentage, 110 percentage. ठीक है एकदम फुल प्रोडक्टिविटी, एकदम 110%। लेट मी एंजॉय टुडे, टुमारो तो मैं फाड़ डालूंगा, कल तो मैं कत्ल कर दूंगा, एकदम मजा के रख दूंगा, मचा के रख दूंगा। That things is if it is coming to your head, then my friend you are doing procrastination. Because if something is so important, if you are so excited for something, why you are not doing it today? Start from now. Okay, so don't live in this tomorrow mystical land कि अरे सर कल से सब अच्छा ही अच्छा है, कल से सब अच्छा है सर, कल से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कल से आई विल स्टडी लाइक एनीथिंग 12 hours a day. How much you study today? Nothing sir, I will not study today. From tomorrow 12 hours. So that tomorrow will never come, right? So you know there's a phrase, tomorrow never comes, kal kabhi nahi aata. This is that tomorrow I'm talking about. Okay, so please be aware of this part, that whether you are facing this problem of procrastination or not, is it to an extent where sometimes you are doing your own damage, that you need to realize. Okay, so, as this is a very funny picture, you can see it is procrastination. It's a nation, procrastination. So you can see solidarity, एकदम अकेले बैठ के मजे करना है. Range of excuses, that is a lot. Range of excuses. A person who procrastinates a lot, he will have infinite reasons to do it. Even simple reasons like I will start studying from 6 o'clock. The time is 6 to. Arey yaar, I didn't start at 6 o'clock. Okay, I'll start it later. A simple example that is also an excuse. Game zone, बस game खेलना है, मजे करने हैं, और क्या? Doodle district पढ़ रहे हैं, we are studying, and suddenly while studying we are making stars, है ना? And what else? We will make smileys picture, है ना? What else you can do? What else? पता नहीं, कुछ doodle, something. You will start writing your name. Oh, see how good I am writing my name. Yeah. So that is all doodling. है ना? Surf side, अरे online sir, let's see what he has posted. Let's see what they have posted. Okay, Napland, सोना, something. अरे यार सो जाते हैं. Let's book खोलते ही सर मुझे तो नींद आने लग जाती है. Not my fault sir. I'll open the book, मेरे को नींद आ जाती है. Not my fault. And snack sector, अरे यार कुछ खाते हैं, भूख लग रही है. Just now I had lunch, but I'm feeling hungry. Okay, so these are all your different states of procrastination. Okay, and trust me, many people are inside this nation, and those who are living in this nation, their success, they will meet them, their success will be in another nation. And do you know what nation is that? That nation is imagination. समझ रहे हो? So if you're doing procrastination, your success is definitely in imagination. समझ रहे हो? So that is for sure. Okay, so please stay away from this nation so that your success is with you, not in some other imagination. Okay, so it can lead to suppose failing test, classes, panic, anxiety. Obviously, yeah, if you are not doing a work which is very important for you, and if you are not doing it, obviously you'll feel panic, you'll feel that anxiety. Okay, and this habit continues. It is better to kill a bad habit when you are at this age, because sometimes when you after some years it is very difficult to get out of a zone which you have created around you. You're understanding? Right now your mind is open to all the ideas and all the thoughts. As you grow up, you have your certain set of rules, you have your certain set of ideas, and you keep yourself within it. Don't do that. Always be open to good ideas, always be open to learn, and always be open to improve. So if you think you are having that problems, if you are facing, definitely you are doing procrastination a lot. Okay, so what are the stages? False security, laziness, excuses, denial, and crisis. है ना? First की अरे I will do it. False security. You are giving yourself false security. अरे don't worry, I'll do it. Then laziness. कि हाँ कर लेंगे यार. Not today, tomorrow. Although you know, not today, tomorrow. Excuses. You'll start giving yourself excuses. Okay, कि अरे यार I have to study. Today is what? Thursday. Let's start from Monday. Why to start in middle of the week? Let's start from Monday. Trust me. Let me know in the comment section. Have you done this or not? कि today is Thursday or any other day. You'll be like कि अच्छा Thursday or Friday. Okay यार, why to start today? From next Monday onwards, I will study like anything. Next Monday से 12 घंटे studies. You have done that. So that is excuses. You are giving yourself to excuses. Monday is same as what you are doing on Friday, right? So that is just an excuse you are giving to yourself. Then denial is like कि अरे no, much time is there, whole पूरा मैथ्स का सिलेबस बाकी है, कल एग्जाम है, बट फिर कोई बात नहीं, I'll do it. There, then you will start watching how to cover the whole syllabus of mathematics in 1 hour. So that is why, trust me, वो देख लेना ना सारे videos, how to get 95 percentage in 1 hour. कैसे लाओगे यार? Those students who are working hard for 1 year, are they dumb so that they are working hard for 1 year? If just by looking at a video for 1 hour I'll get 95 percentage, there won't be any schools. सब लोग वीडियो ही देख लेते ना यार, समझ रहे हो? तो द प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन इज द मार्केट इन विच दोज वीडियोज फुलफिल. 1 घंटे में 90 परसेंटेज मार्क्स, 1 घंटे में 100 परसेंटेज मार्क्स, गारंटी के साथ. आई डोंट नो व्हाट गारंटी दे प्रोवाइड. ओके, तो that all is all bullshit, all nonsense. Understand this thing, that okay, you can do the revision in 1 hour. I don't, I do not, I'm not saying that it is against it. You can do the revision. Okay, a 1 hour do the revision of this, that I'm really okay with it. It is, can be done. If you have studied it already, 1 hour you can do the revision. But 1 hour without studying, बिना पढ़े ये वीडियो देख लो, गारंटी 95 परसेंटेज मार्क्स. अरे कैसे यार, हाउ? So, and look at sometimes na, when you find out these videos na, just look at the number of views. Type, you do it. Okay, you do it, that how to get 100 marks in boards in 1 day or 1 hour. In one minute also you will be getting, I don't know. Okay, and see the views over there. See the views over there. And then go to any other session where a teacher is actually teaching, and look at the number of views over there. I suppose I, for now, ICSE 10th and your CBSE 9th, I am taking the course. Okay, daily I am teaching them. Look at the views over there and look at somewhere like 1 मिनट के अंदर सारे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर देंगे. Look at the views over there, क्योंकि बच्चों को वही चाहिए ना. They are feeding, those videos are feeding on your habit of procrastination. And please don't watch those videos and make yourself sick about it. There is nothing here, there is no formula, there is no shortcut to success. It's always hard work, smart work. Okay, so when you have time, start preparing for it. Okay, and then at the end, crisis, because you cannot get out of it. So always, it is the time to stop. You have to stop it. Now how will you start it? So step one is recognize you have a problem. First thing is telling yourself that yes, I have a problem, I am procrastinating a lot. Because many students are like, no sir, 1 month is there, no sir, I don't procrastinate, I have this work. Why you did not do your homework? सर मैंने होमवर्क नहीं किया क्योंकि मेरे घर में पास में नेबर आंटी के मामा आए हुए थे, तो फॉर दैट रीजन. बताओ, literally, is this the reason? Or I it is my experience. Yeah, why you didn't do the homework? Sir, मेरा आज बर्थडे है तो yesterday I went for shopping. अरे बर्थडे की शॉपिंग के लिए you could have taken time out of your rest time. But homework को छोड़ देना है because that is an excuse. So that is also procrastination. You are avoiding things to do. समझ रहे हो? You are avoiding them to do. So first recognize that you have a problem. You have to tell yourself that no, I am doing it. See, look at this part. Me looking for my wills to study. Well. That is what is happening. There is no will to study. समझ रहे हो? तो ask yourself, do you really feel like studying? If not, that means definitely you are procrastinating, because it is very important. Studying is very important for you. So first recognize that you have a problem. After that, figure out why you are procrastinating. Why you are procrastinating? For like, do you find, suppose if you are not able to start solving maths, you are not you are always procrastinating, in that I'll start doing maths tomorrow, I'll start doing maths tomorrow. So ask yourself why you are doing it. Is it like that you are finding it boring, or is it like it is too difficult for you, or it is like that you don't remember what you have done in the previous part, or it is that the task is so big you don't know whether you'll be able to do it or not, or is it like whether I will be able to do it correctly, whether I'll be able to get perfect marks or not. So all these are different kind of reasons to procrastinate over something. So second step is ask that why you are not studying well. Is it boring to you, or is it difficult for you, or is it like you are afraid that you will not be able to complete it, or is it like you are afraid to not get out of out marks? So there are always reasons for procrastination. So find out yours. बिकॉज पहले देर इज अ सेइंग कि किसी मरीज का इलाज करना होता है ना, तो उसके लिए बीमारी का पता पहले करना बहुत जरूरी है. समझ रहे हो? इफ यू वांट टू क्योर अ पेशेंट, द फर्स्ट थिंग इज टू आइडेंटिफाई द डिजीज. Without identifying the disease, you cannot treat the patient, right? You cannot treat the patient. So to treat a patient, you need to identify his or her disease. तो वही करना है कि first identify what are you, whether you are doing procrastination, if you are doing, why you are doing the procrastination. ठीक है? So this is your self analysis part. This is your self analysis part, that you are asking to yourself, you are finding the answers be inside you. Next part is get organized. Now that is the do part. Self analysis done. Now do. First thing, start with get organized. Make a plan. Whatever goal you have, make a plan for it. Okay, organize the things. Make a plan means, suppose you have to study maths. Your time is, suppose, let's say 2 weeks. Time is, let's say, 2 weeks. You will see your chapters, the chapters whichever are bigger, give more number of hours to them. The chapter which is smaller, give less number of hours to them. Okay, and this way break them in smaller part. In one day I will do these two chapters, so it has to be done in anyhow. So get organized, make your timetable, follow the schedule. Okay, breaking task into smaller pieces, it's a very good part. Suppose if I have 7 days to complete maths book, okay, I have 7 days to complete maths NCRT. What I did, I just told myself that I will complete NCRT within 7 days. I will complete NCRT within 7 days. Now, for Monday pass, I didn't study. I told you, I 7 days. Second day pass, again I told you, no, 5 days are still there. Third day pass, 4 days are still there. Now I started ki, acha, I have to work hard. I was like, now I'm keep playing. So let's not do today. From tomorrow onwards, 12 hours. Then I got stuck in a game. I really want to come out of it. So next day also I will waste. So in a way, when it will be the last day, you will be under so much anxiety, you will be under so much panic that you will not be able to do your work. The other version is you have taken 7 days for studying NCRT. Now break those 7 days. That in the first day I will complete the first two chapters. In the second day I will complete only one chapter because that chapter is big. The third day I will complete these three chapters. These are easier ones. Fourth day I will do this. So in this way, if you have made the plan for the whole 7 days, first day plan done, you are relaxed. After that, play, do whatever you want. Second day, plan done, you are relaxed. Third day, because of any reason, suppose the work is not done, you already got the alarm that you are off the track. You are off the track, you will not be able to finish it. Then you will work extra hard on the next day. So always, whenever there is a huge task, always break it into smaller pieces. So nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Always remember that. So whenever you are performing any task, try to divide it into smaller jobs and also give a time limit to it, so that you will be feeling accomplished. Because when you do the smaller jobs now, first day if you are feeling motivated, first day your task is done, second day your task is done, so now with 2 days you have completed your task. Third day onwards, you yourself will be motivated to complete the task which you have given to yourself for the day. You yourself will feel the motivation, because that feeling, that happiness which comes out of accomplishment, that is way beyond anything else. Okay, so break that task into smaller pieces, eliminate distractions, mobile phone, social media, whatever it is. When you're studying or whenever you're doing any work, leave them. There should be a specific time for them. Okay, then get a support team. Tell your friends, family that what are your priorities, what you're planning to. Tell your parents that, Mama, I'm planning to do this work. If I get distracted, please tell me that I am not doing my work properly. Okay, please understand this. Tell your friends that, yeah, I want to study today, so please don't call me. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow, or whenever they are free, or whenever you are free. So get such a friend circle who supports you in your goals. Your family will always support you. Got it? So get a support team, then get started. After that क्या करना है? बस चालू हो जाओ, है ना? Start doing your work. Got it? So these are your steps to get over of your procrastination. अब देखो उससे क्या होगा बेटा, first you analyzed you कि whether you have a problem or not, then you saw that why you are doing the procrastination, then you got organized, you made a plan, you worked on it, you make the plan into the smaller parts, whatever work you have to do, you have broken it into the smaller pieces, and each part you have given a specific timeline so that you can see that whether the work will be complete or not. And then you have eliminated your distractions as well. You have a good and positive people around you who are supporting you in your task, and then you started working on your goal. Now, as you have broken it into the smaller pieces, after completion of each small task, you can reward yourself anything according to you. A small toffee, okay, if you like to sit with your if you have a dog pet, whatever it is, you can go to play with him, her, play with your pet, or you can go and talk to your parents, whatever is your reward, whatever you find good. But it should not be like you have studied 5 minutes, the reward is for 1 hour. Don't do that. Studied 1 hour, reward for 5 minutes, well, good, awesome. Okay, so reward yourself because it gives you a sense of achievement that okay, I have done my work. I am rewarding myself. I have earned this. Okay, so that makes you proud. So do that. Always reward yourself after the small steps, but a reasonable reward. ऐसा नहीं है 5 मिनट पढ़ के 1 घंटा की वीडियो गेम खेलेंगे सर. Don't do that. Okay, so reasonable reward it should be there. Start doing these things, beta. I'm telling you, your procrastination habit will be gone, and your success, if you are doing procrastination, I have told you, your success is in another nation. Which nation? Imagination. So from imagination it will come into your own world. Okay, so that is the whole part. I hope all of you understood something you have got which is of value to you. And if you have got a single second of this video has taught you something new, my work is complete for you all. Okay, so thank you so much beta for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Okay, so thank you so much. I'll see you soon in the next part. Till then, good, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz.